A fabrication job refers to the process of constructing metal structures by cutting, bending, and assembling components, typically using various tools and welding techniques. It is a critical segment in manufacturing, construction, and industrial sectors, where raw materials are transformed into finished products, equipment, or structural elements according to precise specifications. Fabrication jobs involve both manual labor and machine operations, and they require a blend of technical skill, attention to detail, and an understanding of materials and design principles. The foundation of any fabrication job starts with technical drawings or blueprints, often developed by engineers or designers using CAD, computer-aided design, software. These drawings provide all necessary dimensions, tolerances, materials, and assembly instructions. Fabricators use these blueprints as guides to plan the sequence of operations and select the appropriate materials and tools. Accuracy at this stage is crucial because any mistaken interpretation can result in a defective final product or costly rework. Material selection is another essential aspect of fabrication. The choice depends on the intended use, structural requirements, environmental conditions, and cost considerations. Common materials used in fabrication include various types of steel, such as mild, stainless, or carbon steel, aluminum, brass, copper, and sometimes plastics or composites for specific applications. Each material has its properties and behavior during machining, welding, or forming, and fabricators must be knowledgeable in how to handle each one properly to avoid defects or failures. Cutting is usually the first physical operation in a fabrication job. Several methods are used, including mechanical cutting with saws or shears, thermal cutting with oxy-fuel torches or plasma cutters, and high-precision processes like laser or water jet cutting. The chosen cutting method depends on factors like material thickness, desired precision, production speed, and cost. Once the material is cut to size, it undergoes further processing to achieve the desired shapes and dimensions. Bending and forming are the next steps in many fabrication jobs. These processes involve changing the shape of metal without removing material. Tools like press brakes, rollers, and tube benders are used to create angles, curves, or cylindrical shapes as required. This step demands precision and understanding of material properties because overbending or underbending can lead to part misalignment, cracking, or weakened structures. Tolerances must be closely maintained to ensure parts fit together correctly during assembly. Machining is another common operation in fabrication, especially for components that require fine tolerances or specific surface finishes. Processes like drilling, milling, turning, and tapping are used to add holes, threads, slots, or other details to fabricated parts. Computer numerical control, CNC,